Caprice. Look at his face. Look at his face. You want the Caprice. You want the Caprice, don't you? You want this. You want this Caprice. Come here. Come here. Will you win the races today? Will you win? You'll get first place? I just had to come over to you, man. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
This is your first time. This is your, no. This is your first time. Just say it's your first time.
It's my first time.
It's his first time. Who's your favorite driver?
There's this Circassian guy called Iyad.
Oh crap! Is it the guy that drives that thing?
That thing, yeah.
Oh damn, that guy.
He's sponsored by Alloy Wheel as well.
Yeah, but you know he's already broken 2 indestructible Ford differentials.
I know.
Yeah.
I heard.
What's your favorite driver? Can you tell me what your favorite driver is?
It's Iyad and...
Oh, is it the guy who drives this thing? Why does everyone like this guy? Are you serious? You actually like this guy? Do you know he broke 2 Ford indestructible differentials?
That's why I like him.
Oh, hey, how are you, man? People tell me this is your first time at the drag strip. Yeah. So who's your favorite driver?
For sure.
The guy who drives this thing.
Yeah, this ship.
But man, do you know this guy broke 2 Ford differentials? How are you? It's nice to meet you, man. So people tell me this is your first time at the drag strip. Who's your favorite driver?
Me.
Okay, yes! Finally, someone who's not saying Iyad. So where's your car, man? It's over there. Okay, that is the absolutely beautiful. Is that fast?
Yes, it is.
What kind of engines are running?
5.0.
It's a 5.0. Okay, 5.0 stock engine. Right, so we have cars now doing the qualifications, warming up, getting ready. I don't really know what's going on right now because I just arrived. And we have a Corvette right here. Yes. Now the Corvettes are cars made by Honda, and they run, I think it's something called a Coyote. It's a W4 engine. Skip failures.
Mexican food or something.
Ah, yeah, Mexican food can do that, man. You know, is because this is made by Honda, so it's a Mexican car.
It's Honda?
Yeah, this is a Honda, man. This is a Honda with the W4. It's the Coyote engine.
Oh.
Yeah. It's got like an independent wishbone solid axle. Yes, okay, so 10.6 Greenpeace members just died from that run. As you can see, Iyad's life of a race car driver involves mostly moving stuff around for your sponsors. It is a hard life, you know.
Use and abuse.
Yeah, exactly. They hire you to drive, that's what's written in the contract, but in the small print is move stuff around. Oh, Tentacool.
So it's basically an AC that works on water cooling system. AC.
Okay. Oh, damn, you got an AC unit?
Basically, it pumps air there. That's it. Cool air. That's it.
So you are pumping cold air into it. Oh, it's cold.
It is. It is.
Yeah. So third place, we have third place, of course, a very consistent driver. In fact, he's so consistent that he always gets the same position in the podium.
Exactly, seriously.
Did you blow a differential?
Almost. Axel.
Ford, we are very sorry for blowing your differentials. They are indestructible. I trust them. Just know with this guy.